Right now you are making your first and possibly your last mistake. In an SHTF scenario, when everything goes to hell, that light in your hands is not salvation. It's a target. We're used to smartphones replacing everything for us: a map, a wallet, communication, and a flashlight. But in a real crisis, relying on your phone's light is like trying to start a fire with wet matches. Today I will prove to you why your iPhone or Samsung will blind you, give away your position, and leave you in absolute darkness exactly when your life depends on it. And at the end I'll show you one item for $15 that is 10 times more effective than your $1,000 flagship. Your phone is a computer that can shine. A flashlight is a tool that only shines. In flashlight mode at maximum brightness, the screen and processor continue to devour battery power in the background. In a survival situation, your phone is your only chance for communication and navigation. Spending its precious percentages just so you don't trip? That's strategic madness. But even if you have a power bank, there's a problem no charger can solve. Try holding a smartphone with your teeth while you bandage a wound or change a tire in the dark. A smartphone is a slippery glass brick. It isn't designed for a tactical grip. One scare, one impact, and you're left with a shattered screen and total darkness. A flashlight can be clipped to a cap, held in your teeth, or attached to clothing. A smartphone demands your hand. And in SHTF, you need both hands free. Now let's move on to the technical part that 99% of people never even think about. Factor 1: Photonic Footprint. A phone's LED produces floodlight. It scatters everywhere. Why is that bad? You can't control the beam. You illuminate not only the path in front of you, but also trees, walls, and most importantly, your own face. You become a beacon for any looter or wild animal within a kilometer radius. A real flashlight has a hotspot, a focused beam, that lets you see far while staying in the shadows. Factor 2: CRI Night Blindness. Smartphone LEDs usually have a terrible color rendering index, CRI, and a cold blue spectrum. In this light, blood looks like ordinary dirt, and fresh tracks in the grass blend into one gray smear. Blue light instantly destroys your rhodopsin, the pigment responsible for night vision. Turn off the phone, and you'll be completely blind for another 20 minutes. Factor 3: Distance. The maximum useful distance of a phone's light is 3 to 5 meters. In an SHTF situation, you need to see a threat 50 meters away. A phone gives you the illusion of safety by limiting your world to a small bubble of light. So what's the main secret? Why do experienced preppers never use a phone as a light? Because in a crisis, information is more important than illumination. Your phone holds offline maps, medical guides, communication. By using it as a flashlight, you're burning your most valuable informational resource. The survival rule 1 equals 0, 2 equals 1 works here 100%. If you only have a phone, you have no light. Real preparedness begins when you separate tasks. Light to the flashlight. Communication to the phone. If this fact about destroying night vision made you reconsider what's in your go bag, hit like. It helps the algorithms show this video to people who are still walking in the dark with a smartphone in their hands. Right now, check your battery supplies. A flashlight without power is just an expensive club. Write in the comments which flashlight you carry every day, EDC, or do you still trust your phone? Subscribe to the channel, here we reveal the harsh truth about survival and gear every week. Don't let the screen's light blind you. See you in the next video.